Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to promote affiliate links on YouTube. So if you're looking for how to promote affiliate links on YouTube, then yes, this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how to promote affiliate links on YouTube, guys, right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that, guys, if you are a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, and in that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So go and read my ebook, down below there is a link, right, guys? So now without any delay, let me show you how to promote affiliate links on YouTube, guys, right? So guys, now here I'm assuming that you have your own YouTube channel, guys, because guys, to promote your affiliate links on YouTube, yes, we need to have our own YouTube channel. So as in my case, guys, I have my own YouTube channel. You can see that it is whatever I know, right? So this is my YouTube channel, right? And second thing, guys, that you need to do, that when you have created your YouTube channel, by the way, guys, if you don't know how to create your YouTube channel, then yes, guys, you can go to YouTube and you can type how to create a YouTube channel, and there you will find so many videos that are related to how to create YouTube channel. So you can go and watch that video and you can create your own YouTube channel for promoting your affiliate links, guys, right? So this is very, very important. Second thing, guys, when you know, okay, when you have created your YouTube channel, then other thing that you need to do, guys, you need to start uploading videos on like educational video, tutorial video, or any product review video on your YouTube channel, guys, right? This is very, very important, guys. As you can see that, guys, on my you can say YouTube channel, I have created some, you can say, tutorial video, right? And it's a product review video, right? This is another product review video, right? This is a tutorial video, right? So yes, you need to do that, guys, right? So let me just give you one of the example, guys. Then second thing, guys, or you can say other thing that you need to do, I'm assuming that you have uploaded your YouTube video on your YouTube channel. So where to put your, or you can say how to promote your affiliate links, guys? Simply, guys, what you need to do, like I'm assuming that, guys, this is, you can say, one of the product that I'm going to promote, right? So guys, I will grab the link, and yes, guys, here I would say, guys, again, don't use your ugly looking and long looking affiliate link, guys, right? Use custom domain, right? This is very, very important. As in my case, it is www.digitalaffiliatebusiness.com, right? So that way, guys, you hide your affiliate link. So if someone click on your custom domain link, as in my case, it is, as I told you, right, www.digitalaffiliatebusiness.com. So that very person will click on that and will be redirected to your affiliate offer, guys. This is the right strategy, guys. Don't use your ugly looking and long looking affiliate link, guys, right? Or what you can do, if you don't want to use custom domain, then yes, you can go to Rebrandly, and here you can paste your link, guys, affiliate link, Rebrandly, rebrandly.com, right? Sort URL, or you can go to Bitly, guys. This is another platform to sort your link, bitly.com, right? Yeah, same thing, guys, you can do here, right? Put your link and then shorten. Yep. So this will be your final link, guys, right? So these are the two options, guys, that you can use, except your custom domain. But if you ask me, then yes, I would personally recommend you guys use custom domain. So that way you will create your personal brand, and when you give custom domain, so it looks nice, right? And it looks branded, and yeah, chances that that very person will click on that, and if they think that your product that you are promoting, if they think that it's the product that will solve their problem, then yes, they will go and they will buy, guys, right? So yes, use custom domain. If not, then yes, you can opt these two options, Rebrandly or Bitly. So by using any of the platform, you can short your affiliate link, guys, right? So guys, what's your next step, guys? Grab your affiliate link, guys, and come to the, you can say description section of your YouTube video, guys, that you have uploaded on your YouTube channel. So as in my case, I have uploaded my YouTube video, right, where I'm reviewing about the product. So it's a ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp Summit, guys, right? By the way, guys, if you want to check it out, then yes, I have put the link down below. You can go and check out this Affiliate Bootcamp Summit. Actually, it's a, you can say, summit where around 16 super affiliate, they have revealed their strategy, that what they will do to start their affiliate marketing business. And in that, you can say, summit, mostly they are talking about how to promote ClickFunnels. But yeah, that will be helpful, guys, to know their strategy, and you can use the strategy to promote any affiliate offer in any niche, guys, right? So yeah, guys, go and check out this affiliate bootcamp. It's absolutely free, guys, and good thing is that these super affiliate are 6 to 7 figure earner, guys, and they have revealed their strategy, guys. So yep, it's a you can say great summit to go for, guys, right? So down below I have put the link, you can go and check out, right? So yes, guys, so as in my case, guys, you can see that, guys, I have put my affiliate link or my custom domain link in the description section of this very video, guys, right? So yes, you need to put your affiliate link here, guys. So like if you are, you can say, if your link is from bit.ly, then yes, bit.ly, right? And then save, guys. And same thing, guys, if your link is from Rebrandly, then copy, come here, come to your, you can say, YouTube video description section, guys, right? So yep, you can put your affiliate link here, guys. Here, guys, right? And then save, guys. Let me show you save. Right, and open link in new window.
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Pankaj Singh here.
You can see that, guys, link is here, right? So if someone click on that, and if that very person go through your link and buy the product, you will be making commission, you will be making money doing affiliate marketing, guys, right, guys? So yes, guys, this is the way, guys, to promote your affiliate link on YouTube, guys, right? So guys, I would highly recommend you, guys, yes, please use custom domain, guys, if possible. If not, then yes, you can use bit.ly link or Rebrandly link, guys, right? You can see that, guys, right? So now you know, guys, how to promote your affiliate link on YouTube, guys, right? So this is the right place, guys, right? In first or two line, you need to put your affiliate link, guys, right? If you want, right? Actually, this is a good practice, guys, to put your affiliate link in first line or second line, or if you want, you can also put in the third line of the description section of your YouTube video, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, guys, right? And yes, if you like this video, please do like, share and comment. And yes, if there is anything, or you can say if you have any questions about this video, right, or any affiliate marketing regarding question that you have, then yes, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then yes, please subscribe to my channel. Down below there is a button, red button, and yes, there is also a bell notification button. So go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, go and subscribe as well as hit that bell notification button, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, guys, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Especially designed, you can say,